This is Jason with Pearce Scapes Landscaping. We're back on site in Hockley on the project we were doing. We're finishing up, putting some finishing touches on today, mulching something. So let's come in, let's take a look and see how things turned out. Follow me in. As you can see, we've put down 24 by 24 pavers to go through the river rock, which will give a nice pathway through the gate. All of our stone is up, the gardens have been put in. We've completely redesigned all the garden beds if you look to what was originally here. And as you transition over, stops here at the air conditioning unit with the river rock, the beds pick up. All these beds are new, we've expanded them. This is the paver area where they're gonna put some chairs to sit out here in the afternoon. They have some shade, they'll be able to sit out here and enjoy themselves. Here's a fountain that we ended up adding in here, a little accent piece, and we were able to get the fountain and put the pump in so they have a little bit of sound when they're out here as well to kind of take over from the air conditioning unit. Here's where the pathway, which you've already seen from the previous video of us working through here, and all the different ledge stone that's been done. We did a ton of ledge stone cutting and chopping, piecing this together. Also, what you'll be able to notice is we extended this back bed. It was a much smaller bed when you first looked at it. We broke that open, extended it out, and we've got lighting along all the pathway as well. You can see lighting here. And not only does lighting look like it has a good accent to it, it's just pleasing to the eye. It's also from a safety standpoint, the more light you can have around your home, the better off you are. And as you kind of walk through here, you can see we put grass down, and this is where all the drainage was as well. You can see the drains that we put in. This is a privacy barrier that we put up for the generator over here. And as you can see, we've put some kind of trailing vines, which will, as you train them, you'll be able to go through, wrap them around here, and this will be completely covered up down the road, and none of that will be able to be seen when you're out here. If you keep following me this way, you can see how the pathway just continues to turn around that you've seen before, comes around, and again, more lighting along the pathway, expanded the beds, and then walk back here, which ends up coming to the patio area. These are the privacy screens that we built, and we've been able to put a vine here that will train as well to kind of go over it. And then, this is kind of where everything ends. And if you can see, behind us now, this homeowner has an amazing backyard that they're going to be able to sit out here and enjoy.